Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hi guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at these advanced glucosamine large and senior dog supplements. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this product, which is very near and dear to my heart, and I'm excited to share with you a little bit more about it. Now, if we go ahead and open up the lid on this bottle here, you will notice these are the supplements on the inside. I did just want to mention that it actually came sealed up here at the top for the shipping process, and I appreciate that they had that seal included. Now, if we go ahead and pour these out, you can take a closer look at the supplements here. They are just kind of little cube shaped here, and I didn't really notice any kind of strong smell when I opened these up. There is a light smell of bacon from them, but not anything really strong or off-putting in my opinion. Now, I really appreciate that you get so many here in this bottle. I ended up going with the 180 count, but you can get smaller quantities if needed. Now, the great thing about these dog supplements here is the fact that they are really loved by dogs a lot. They are actually bacon flavored. I believe that's where the smell comes from, but dogs really seem to love these a lot. And for that reason, I would highly recommend these advanced glucosamine large and senior dog supplements. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.